Welcome to this movement medicine practice where we start in plank pose and move into wide-legged lunge. So stepping your foot to the outside of your hand and coming into your lunge, feeling both the strength and flexibility of your hips and legs. Adding in the arm to twist, enjoying rotation in the spine and a release of your psoas, hip flexors. And then enjoying the side kick throughs, engaging through your core, stepping the foot through and twisting. This is a fantastic exercise for your core, for agility, for balance. And if you're not able to step your leg all the way through, then just come to your knees and step through as far as you can. And you can have a little fun changing directions, animal flow, workout, move, changing directions, mixing it up, challenging your core. You can vary the arm positions. Try to maintain the low plank as you come through and transition to the other side. Keep breathing steadily and enjoy the agility and strength that you're building up through this wonderful move, side kick throughs. You could reach to your opposite foot, your toe. And enjoy squatting, squat pose, malasana. Before we move in through spinal roll through downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And you can take the one leg up to the sky and then draw the knee up towards the forehead as you come through. So curling up and then stepping through into your lunge, high lunge pose. Sink deeply into your front leg. Engage through the back leg, extending through. As you step through. And if you find that challenging, just simply practice this movement here. You're curling through the core and the spine as you step through. You're kind of lifting up onto the toe and stepping through. Can be quite a tricky move. You could use blocks here under each hand. And then again, find that high crescent lunge. Sink into the front leg, extending upwards, breathing. And movement is medicine here. Come back to a squat pose. Thank you so much for this short movement medicine practice. Thank you to this beautiful spot in Kerala. Namaste.